So in this video we will learn how to write a Java program to print elements in an array. So first of all we will see how to declare an array. To declare an array we have to initialize and declare the array. Following is the syntax for declaring and initializing an array. Int a equals to elements, okay, whereas int is a data type, a is a variable, equal to is the assignment operator, and these are the variables. So number of variables we can store in an array. So now rules for the array. An array is size is fixed once it is declared. Point number 2, array should contain same data type. That means in an array we are declaring any number with the same data type. So we will see how to find changing length of an array. For that, syntax is a.length. By using this inbuilt function we can find the length of array. How to print an array element? To print elements from array, first we have to know about elements in an array. So now consider an example. Here we are declaring, initializing and declaring the variable array int a bracket 1 2 3 4. So first of all we have to find the index of the array. We have to understand the index concept. So array of 0 is nothing but 1, array of 1 is nothing but value 2, array of 3 is nothing but value, array of 2 is nothing but 3, array of 3 is nothing but value 4, and array of 5 is values nothing but, array of 4 is nothing but values 5. So in this way we have to print an element, we have to change the value in that square bracket. So to change, hence we will consider it as a variable I. So now we will see how we can write a program. Okay, so here we have declared a class with same name as array.java. Now we will write, we have to initialize the array. For that we have to type int a then equals to curly bracket elements which are present in semicolon. So in this way we have declared the variable array. So now we have to find the length of an array. So to find the length of an array, we'll initialize a new variable called length equals to a.length. So by using this function we will get to know about the length of an array. So in this way we assign the length which are coming into the variable length. So now we will go for printing an elements. So for that we have to print all the elements from that array. So we will use the for loop for that. So here for in bracket we will initialize a variable int I equals to, so index concept is used here. So the I is 0, index of 0 is nothing but 1. So for that we will initialize the variable from 0. Now we have to put a condition on it. So up to how many times we have to repeat this loop. So this loop will repeat up to the number of elements which are present in an array. So number of elements present in an array are 5. So we have to repeat this for loop for 5 times. So but here the index value is up to 0, it starts from 0 to 4. So we will get an error. So we will check at that runtime and correct at that time. Okay, so now we have to increase I. Okay, now we will add the printing statement. So for that print system.out.print, and here is ln, and in bracket we will write it as a of I. Okay, so what this loop will do, it will initialize the value I from 0. It will check here I, that means 0 is less than or equal to length. What is in the length? Length is having 5 elements, so the value become 5, and I 0 is greater than 5, it become true, and come is in this loop. So what inside this loop? So here inside this loop is printing statement along with array of I. So what is the value of I? The I value is 0. So here we will get the value this one. Okay, for that at the time we'll get increase the value of I. So now the value of I becomes 1. At that time the 1 is less than or equal to 5. That time also we'll get statement true, condition true. So we will print, so the compiler will print, Java will print 2. Now the value of I will become 2. So 2 is less than or equal to 5, then it is also print then 3. So now the value of I become 3. So 3 is less than or equal to 5, the value becomes true. So the value will print 4. Now the value becomes 4. So now it is less than or equal to, so 4 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, so it will become, you will get at 5. So at the time of 5 is less than or equal to 5. So here we will get equal to, but here is no any element present at index here 1, index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at index number 5 there is no any element. So here we will get out of bound error. So for that we will remove this greater than or equal to sign. So now we will save the program. So now we will save the program and run in the command window. So we will go to command window. We have to set the path of it. So we will check that path. Okay, this is the path. So I will just copy from here and paste it here and press enter. So we set the path. So now we have to write Java C and the file name array.java. We have to press enter. By pressing enter we will get an error .length. Okay, so at this line we have get an error. So we'll check what it is. So here semicolon is missing. So these are the mistake we have to check. So we will run once it, or we will run once again. So here we will also check. Here was only .java file. After compilation we will get .class file also here. So we will check. We have written Java C file name and .java. I have press enter. So now Java is compiled successfully, and here we can see the class file. Now we have to run. We have to execute the Java. So hence we have get the value of an array. If I change the value here, I will write here 5, 3, here 20 and save the program. Once again I will compile successfully and execute it. So we will get the elements in array. So in this way you can print the value of the elements which are present in an array. So in this next video we will learn how to print even and odd numbers present in an array. Thank you.